You walk around like you got it all together, and I promise you, I'm not being mean. I'm just saying what God told me to say. We walk around like we have it all together, and our kids going to hell. We dressed in the finest, just how great. And our kids won't even come to church. We're just doing our thing, not even caring. How many of you bring kids to Sunday school and bring them to church and their moms at home? That's what I'm talking about. They don't care. But come club night, the men all pause when you walk into the room. You got 6 kids at home and they tearing up the house. I got friends like that. You got baby kids at home, can't even get a babysitter to watch them. You gotta pay them like $100 an hour because they so bad. Then you have the nerve to say, don't be yelling at my child, don't spank my child, you leave my child alone. Your child need a whooping and you do. See, when I grew up in the projects, we had a little village going on. Your mama wasn't the only one that whooped you. It was Miss Bertha in the back. It was Miss Odessa on the side. It was Miss Daisy on the other side. And after they finished with you, then mama got you too. So we had a network. We had a network of love. And I'm still talking about the woman, and especially where we come from, the African American culture. Ladies, we have to take our places back. You have to have some type of impact, not just in the church, but you must have impact in the community. How do we get the people into the church? It's because we have to go into the community. You have to let them know that you care about them. I'll stop. If kids are fighting on the bus stop, I'll stop and say, look, excuse me, come here. They try to get rough, but I get rougher. All they want is a little love. All they need is some love. So it's okay to be an impact in the community.